Okay. Well, you see, there's the engraved gear over here. You see, the top is over here, and over here is the sun, and over there is Venus, and over behind the sun. Yep, over here is Mercury. And you see, the biggest cog here is the engraved gear. Well, you see, it can turn around. Yep, it really can turn around. And you see, I don't know what this blue thing is. But you see, got issue 1 and issue 2 and issue 3 and issue 4 and issue 5 and issue 6 and issue 7. That's all the magazines I've got. And I've got some birds too. There's some up the top and some down at the bottom. You see. Well, that's it for now. But that's my mum. And that's she's confused. Back to my mom.